The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Kentucky State Police. The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Fayette County. Several dead bodies was reported outside of Lexington. The exact cause behind all of this is unknown, but many authorities have a feeling that the unknown criminal was the responsible for the several dead bodies. If someone breaks into your house, use anything that can defend you, such as firearm. The Lexington Police, and along with the Kentucky State Police, will be investigating. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for the county of Shelby. KY10 confirmed dead bodies was seen outside of Shelbyville area. It is confirmed that there was also several dead bodies being reported at Lexington around 8:10 p.m. The exact cause behind all of this is unknown, but authorities have spotted an unknown individual moving away very fast that the authorities can't tell. If you see an individual in your area, call 911. Stay tuned for more information and stay safe.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sullivan County Emergency Management. One building was reported to be sliced in half, as well as multiple cars and several dead bodies. In addition, an unknown individual was seen leaving Kingsport town. Kingsport police have got the description of this individual. This individual is described as a white female of unknown age, 6 feet tall, unknown weight, with blades on her back as wings, orange hair, a yellow shirt, black and yellow pants, and wearing high-tech shoes. This individual seemed to be really fast. If you see this individual, report her to the police as she might be responsible for the mass fatalities, as well as the buildings being sliced in half. This individual might pose a potential threat to other persons. Remain tuned for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Allegheny County Emergency Management. Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of Allegheny, PA. At approximately around 8:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, local law enforcement discovered 3 dead bodies and a sliced vehicle. According to the authorities and to witnesses, the suspect with a yellow blade on her back as wings is confirmed to be responsible for the 3 dead bodies. According to eyewitnesses, this individual charged straight towards the victim at a high speed, then she kills the victim. This individual is described as a white female, of unknown age, standing around 6 feet tall, unknown weight, orange hair, a yellow dress, black and white pants, and her high-tech shoes. She also has a scissor blade on her back, indicating that she uses it to kill her victims gruesomely. This individual should not be approached as she also caused severe damage and fatalities in other states. These states include Tennessee and Kentucky. If you see this individual, call 911. Stay tuned for more information and updates that we provide.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Westchester, NY. At approximately around 9:14 a.m. local law enforcement discovered several dead bodies, sliced vehicles, sliced buildings, and sliced trees in New Rochelle metropolitan area. Many authorities and witnesses have assumed that the dangerous individual, known for causing mass fatalities and damage throughout other states, is believed to be responsible for mass fatalities and damage. If you see this individual in your area, call 911. Remain to local media news and outlets for more information.
The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for the following counties: Albany, NY, and Greene, NY. Several reports came in about buildings, trees, power lines, and vehicles in the area reportedly sliced into pieces. Several dead bodies being stabbed or sliced were reported across the mentioned counties. The authorities have spotted an unknown individual, confirming that this individual is responsible for numerous fatalities and damage. Many authorities have discovered this individual's name. The individual's name is the Scissor Girl. The Scissor Girl is described as a white female, 27 years old, 6 feet tall, weighs around 200 pounds, with orange hair, wearing a yellow shirt, wearing black and white pants, and has a high-tech shoes. Do not approach her, as she is capable of killing her victims instantly. In addition, an unknown bright purple circle triangle was seen hovering over the city of Albany, appearing to be causing multiple explosions, indicating that the bright purple circle triangle is using unknown powers to cause explosions. If you see the Scissor Girl in your area, evacuate your area immediately before you get killed by her. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
A dangerous individual is being issued for Sudbury Police Service. An individual was seen cutting trees, slicing vehicles, and slicing buildings using the blades on her back as wings. All residents are strongly advised to remain indoors and remain out of sight of this individual. According to the authorities from the United States, the individual's name is the Scissor Girl. This individual is described as a white female, 27 years old, standing around 6 feet tall, with orange hair, yellow dress, black and yellow pants, and wearing high-tech shoes. This person should not be approached, as she is capable of killing her victims instantly by attacking the victim. If you see this individual around your area, call the Sudbury Police Department. Monitor local media news and outlets on this event.
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Bunkovetsy beginning at 7:30 p.m. and ending at 5:30 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Asheville Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Several reports came in about the Scissor Girl slicing several cars and buildings into pieces in her path. In addition, a bright purple circle triangle was seen hovering over the city of Asheville, causing multiple explosions in the area. The scissor is growing stronger. She continues to cause damage. All residents receiving this message are strongly urged to get to the underground shelter immediately. Do not approach her as she continues to terrorize numerous areas in the United States. All police failed to stop her as she is too fast. This message will repeat shortly as this situation is unfolding in the city of Asheville. The Scissor Girl is growing more intense, prompting a civil danger warning to be issued for Asheville and along with the counties of Buncombe.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jefferson County Emergency Management. Several confirmed dead bodies are being reported throughout the county. The Scissor Girl was seen to be slicing the buildings, trees, and cars to pieces. All residents are strongly advised to seek shelter right now and not go outside until it is declared safe or the Scissor Girl has left the area. In addition, a bright purple circle triangle was seen causing an explosion throughout the Birmingham metropolitan area. However, this bright purple circle triangle has also seen mind controlling the victims, and there are now 10 confirmed people being under the bright purple circle's control. This is a really life-threatening situation and should be taken seriously. All residents who are hearing this message are strongly advised to seek indoors immediately. Stay tuned for more information.
Ha ha ha, I will continue my rec so I can rule the world. No one can stop me, and every single one of you will watch me and how strong I am. Ha ha ha.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Several dead bodies are being reported throughout Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. This event is similar throughout other areas in the United States. These states include Alabama, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, New York, Kentucky, and Tennessee. This is confirmed that this individual, which is now known as the Scissor Girl, this individual is extremely dangerous as she continues to cause massive damage and loss of life throughout numerous places in the United States. This individual was also seen slicing cars, trucks, buildings, trees, and houses. In addition, Eyewitnesses have spotted an unknown object which is bright purple circle triangle and was also seen causing several explosions in the area. This was the same object from previous locations in the United States. If you see the Scissor Girl in your area, call 911. Stay tuned for more information and updates.
「以下のメッセージは、警視庁及び防衛省の要請により送信されています。現在、東京市内で複数の大規模爆発が発生している。さらに、建物、車、トラック、バス、家、木々が切り刻まれる瞬間があります。
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Tokyo Police Department and the Japanese Ministry of Defense. Several large explosions are currently ongoing in the city of Tokyo. In addition, there are instances of buildings, cars, trucks, buses, houses, and trees being sliced into pieces.
現在、シザーズガールとして知られる危険な人物がこの大規模被害の原因であると考えられていました。彼女はまた、その評判のために米国でいくつかの被害や死亡事故を引き起こしました。警視庁は、東京上空に浮かぶ未知の輝く明るい紫色の円形の三角形を発見し、その地域で数回の爆発を引き起こしている。警察は東京都民。
The following broadcast is transmitted at the request of the British Armed Forces and the London Police Department. A dangerous individual who is now known as the Scissor Girl was seen slicing buildings, cars, trucks, and trees in her path. In addition, a bright purple circle triangle was seen creating massive explosions in the area. The police are requesting all residents to remain indoors. Stay tuned to the BBC News.
All clear, repeating, all clear. The Scissors Girl and along with the bright purple circle have disappeared out of nowhere. It is unknown why are they gone. The threat to the public is over and residents are allowed to leave their shelters. However, there is massive damage throughout the United States. But, all clear, all normal programming may continue.